quite a few screens that came in today. Here's some of them. We'll just kind of walk around and take a look. So before we call anyone to pick up screens, we always measure them for accuracy to make sure they are correct. So we'll show you how that's done. First thing we're going to do is pull up our order sheet right here. Shows us what our quantity is, width, our height. Also shows us the color of the screen, the frame size, and the type of screen. So I have the screen right here, and we're going to measure the width and the height, compare it with our original measurements, and if this is correct, then we'll be good to go. Okay, so our width measurement is 30 7/16, and it's got bail clips and pull tabs on it, so I know that. So 30 7/16 is what I'm looking for. So I'm measuring corner to corner outside dimensions. 30 7/16, good there on the width. Now our height should be 30 7/16. So this is perfectly square screen. So we're going to come to the top corner, measure down, corner to corner, outside dimensions, and 30 7/16. So we have a good screen. What we'll do is call the customer, let them know their screen is ready for pickup. Skinner's Custom Screens. Give us a like, share, and subscribe if you like. Thanks.